In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a game in Steam. After heading to your Steam and making sure that you're logged in, you can make sure that you are on the store, in either feature, discovery, whatever you would like. Find the game you would like to buy, for example, GTA 5 right here. I'm going to click on it, and then first of all, I have to provide the right birthday for me to be able to buy this game. I'm going to click on view this page. And right here, you can find all the information about the game, any stuff that are additional, and stuff like that. Second thing, I'm going to add this game to my cart. After adding this game to my cart, I'm going to be prompted with my shop list. Say in case you didn't get prompted with this page, and say I'm still in my store, home, I'm going to show you how to go back to it. You can see on the top right corner right here that you can still access the cart, and the game is still right here. Here you can find that you either buy this game for yourself or as a gift. I'm going to buy it for myself. Clicking on this should result in this page right here, and I should choose my payment method. As you can see, Steam helps a lot of payment methods from PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, as you can see right here. For example, I'm going to choose my PayPal, and you can save this as your payment. I'm not, because I use another payment methods, and then I'm gonna click continue. Right here, you will be able to click this button to proceed your payment, and you will be good to go. Enter your email and your informations, and that's it. Goodbye.